Hello, my name is Joe Pranovich, and my presentation is on Graphing the English Language for Fun and Profit, a project to analyze real-world usages of words in the English language. It does this by building a graph of related words, such as nouns with their associated adjectives and vice versa. We can use this data to make comparisons and conclusions about how words are really used. This project uses Python's natural language toolkit libraries as well as MapReduce on EC2 in order to achieve the desired results. My software analyzes text in three phases. First, it breaks paragraphs into sentences. Second, it tags the parts of speech and outputs them into a key value format. And third, it analyzes the word associations. Early on in my project, I realized that I would have to analyze a lot of data. English is a very sparse language. For example, the word cat only appears in 0.03% of sentences. Add to that an 85% success rate in correctly tagging the parts of speech meant that I would need to analyze even more text to get an accurate result. And therein lied the problem. To analyze a single megabyte's worth of text, it took 8 minutes. Clearly, I wasn't going to be able to do it without some massively parallel help. Rewriting my software to use MapReduce and running it on an 85-node Amazon cluster made a project that would have taken 48 days to complete take only 2. The first step, still serial, takes a document and outputs it in a version that has 1 sentence per line. This is required for the NLTK libraries. In this sentence, it was a dark night. You can see that the tagger correctly determines that was is a verb, dark is an adjective, and night is a noun. This is output as a key value pair for MapReduce, with the key being the word being analyzed and the value being the context around the word that can be subsequently parsed. In the reduce phase, this data is sorted and analyzed to create a weighted graph of related words. I've also built a helper script to help visualize the data. And that, in a nutshell, is my project. I hope you have as much fun playing with this as I had writing it. Thank you and good night.